When you crack your neck, it forces your joints to move, which can sometimes cause small air bubbles in the fluid to burst, creating that popping sound. But if you twist your neck too forcefully, you might tear the lining of a blood vessel. In rare cases, this tear can lead to a blood clot forming, which might then travel to your brain. Once there, the clot might block blood flow and could cause a stroke. The ball at the top of your arm pops out of the socket if your shoulder dislocates. To fix it, a doctor will gently pull your arm to create traction while stabilizing your shoulder. This pulling aligns the ball with the socket. Now you need to rotate your arm to guide the ball back into the place. Once it's back in, the muscles and tendons around the shoulder stabilize it, and you will feel relief.
Subscribe if you like Kids Old Up.